What's up, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the Activision account associated with your Steam account, so this will affect all of the Call of Duty games on Steam that you're currently signed into. Of course, this guide will also show you how to link a Call of Duty account with Steam, but it's mainly going to focus on changing. The first step to changing your linked Activision account on your Steam account is find out which one is currently linked. If we open up any Call of Duty game through Steam, click the Settings button at the very top, followed by Account and Network, then Activision Account. It'll show us what account is currently linked. In my case, it's Technobo, followed by my email address. This isn't the correct Battle.net account, and in fact, I have two of them. This is a different one. To change this, all we need to do is close out of this game here, remembering what email we have associated here, and head across to our Call of Duty profile. You'll find this linked in the description down below, profile.callofduty.com/cod/login, all lowercase. Over here, we'll be logging in with the account that we just saw the email address of. So I've signed into my first account here. It's complaining about too many redirects. In a new tab, I'll just head back to profile.callofduty.com if you see something about too many redirects, and you'll see this page here. Linked Steam account is listed here. All we need to do is click Unlink, then Send Code, and we'll need to confirm the code that was sent to our email address. Submitting the code, we need to click Unlink once more, and we'll see something about possibly losing progress, saved games, etc. I know that I don't have anything on this account. I just want to link Steam to my current account, as there's nothing here. I'll click Continue. Then we can close this notification, and refreshing, you can see I can link a new Steam account. Awesome. Now that I've signed out of my original account, let's log out using logout at the very top. And if you see something about too many redirects, head back to profile.callofduty.com, and now we'll be signing in with our new or correct account here. Confirming my number, you can see I have a different Battle.net account linked here, and if I click Link with Steam account now, it'll send me a code to my email address. Upon confirming it, the page will reload. I can link once more, then continue, and now I'll be taken across to Steam where we can link our account. I'll click Sign In when I've connected the correct account here, and just like that, my Steam account is now linked with my Activision or Call of Duty account properly. If we click the profile button in the top right, as we don't need to see our email address now, you can see my username has changed and this is the correct account for me. So just like that, we've now changed the account, and if you want to change it back, well, you'll have to wait 12 months as far as I understand. You can only unlink an account once every 12 months, so it seems. Anyways, that's a super simple fix to something you probably don't have. You now know how to unlink and link an account, or simply change the linked account. That's really about it. Thank you all for watching. My name has been Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.